Ever wondered how political drama can shake up your investment portfolio? Well, hold on to your heads, because today's episode is a roller coaster. Welcome back to Pod X, Tony here. Today is 3rd of March 2025. Let's dive into today's market update. What a weekend it's been for Bitcoin. After a sharp pullback to 78,000 last week, breaking down the bull market support band, many were quick to predict further decline to 70,000 or even 60,000. But as we have seen time and time again, Bitcoin has a knack for surprising us. Over the weekend, it rallied impressively, surging past $94,000, thanks in part to Trump's tweet about US strategic reserve of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. These moves added over $300 billion into the crypto market, underscoring the importance of staying informed and seizing opportunity when they arise. Let us now take a look at today's morning deep dive. As of now, you've probably seen what happened in the Oval Office on 1st of March 2025. The meeting between US President Donald Trump, Vice President J.D. Vance, and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky take dramatic turns. Voices are raised, tempers flares, and the discussion abruptly ended. And the cause is a continuous debate over a proposed rare earth mineral deal and differing strategic concerning the ongoing conflict with Russia. Ukraine's rare earth minerals includes vital components in high-tech industry like electronics and renewable energy. And the collapse of this deal would lead to increased scarcity and higher prices for these minerals. For investors, this could mean that companies reliant on these resources might face supply chain disruption and increased costs, potentially impacting profit margins. It's a stark reminder of how geopolitical events can ripple through markets, affecting everything from manufacturing to consumer price. The public nature of this dispute has strained diplomatic relations, introducing uncertainty in the international market. Usually prolonged tension could lead to increased market volatility, particularly in industry linked to Eastern European stability and rare earth mineral supply chain. The fragility of international alliance and the complexity of global politics underscores the importance of diversification and keeping up with the geopolitical developments. If the traditional supply chain gets squeezed and manufacturing costs skyrocket, the investor will start to look for alternative store of value that ain't tied to political drama. And guess what? Crypto fits the bill perfectly. Unlike gold and silver, which still need to be mined and refined, Bitcoin is just there, decentralized, and immune to those supply chain bottleneck. If inflation spiked because of mineral shortage, we could see more capital flow into Bitcoin as just a hedge, just like what we saw in previous economic crisis. And since we're in a bull market at the moment, if tensions escalate, we could see another wave of institutions pouring into crypto as a hedge against uncertainty. We've already seen how Bitcoin reacts when there's chaos. Just look at how it soared after Trump's recent crypto announcement. The world is waking up to the idea that decentralized assets are the safety net when things get crazy. Could this Oval Office disaster be the spark that pushes Bitcoin into six-figure territories? Could Ethereum now also step into a real global financial layer? One thing's for sure, market hates uncertainty, and for us in crypto, uncertainty is exactly where the biggest opportunity lies. So since you're in this space, let's pay close attention together. Political drama doesn't just make for good headlines, it shapes the future of money, and right now, all signs point to a world that is slowly but surely realizing that crypto isn't just a speculative bet. Now let us take a look at today's top news. The first news. We're still talking about Donald Trump. Donald Trump is hosting the first ever White House Crypto Summit on 7th of March, bringing industry leaders and policymakers together to discuss regulations, adoptions, and the US roles in crypto's innovation. As Trump already positioned himself as a pro-crypto, anti-CBDC president, this summit could shape the future of crypto policy. For investors, a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment could trigger way more institutional adoption than you can imagine, boosting market confidence and valuation. But is there a real shift or just political theater? Either way, this event could be a key moment for the next phase of this bull market. The second news, the Ethereum Foundation has finally announced their new leadership structure, appointing Xiaowei Wang, a core researcher at the foundation, and Thomas Shansak, the CEO of Nevermind, as co-directors. This change comes due to the community concern about the project's directions and aim to navigate Ethereum transition from an early stage project to a robust base layer of global finance and software infrastructure. And the third news, following the recent market surge, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange recorded its largest ever Bitcoin future gap, exceeding $10,000. Such gaps occur due to the differences between the CME trading hours and the continuous nature of crypto market, and historically, Bitcoin has tended to fill those gaps over time, returning to previous price level. That's a wrap for today's video. Hit that subscribe button so we can grow together and you'll never miss a beat. New video every weekdays. Stay invested and I'll see you tomorrow.